Watching COD gameplay, trying to decide if I'm a cop or not. Also, definitely not copping Yeezys today because this hates me. So that's where we are.
Now tuned into the greatest. Turn the music up in the headphones.
What is up, YouTube? Mark Kicks coming at you with another video. This is a fun one to make, only because of the story around it. I'm a Travis Scott. If I see something on TravisScott.com, I'm about to cop. And I don't know why, but it's the only site that I can hit on nowadays. And I don't even use a bot, man. And it's mostly thanks to the, it's mostly thanks to 300 Chefs, 300chefs.com. A little cook group or whatever the cool kids say. I don't know what it is, man. All I know is it's on a Discord app. And they just be notifying me, and I don't know. I feel old now. I don't know why people make me feel old, and I'm not old. They make me feel old because I have no idea what's happening half the time. They're like, hey, your shoe's about to drop. I'm like, when did that even become a thing? But whatever. So funny story, I'm in California, just chilling by myself actually, and I go to In-N-Out because your boy be hungry. And then while I'm in In-N-Out, I get a Discord little notification, and it says Travis Scott Low available now. Go to the site, hurry, hurry, hurry. And so I go to the site, and I'm sitting on FaceTime waiting for my food. I don't know why In-N-Out was taking so long that day. So I'm sitting there waiting for my food. I'm FaceTiming my girl, and then the notification came up. I was like, all right, put you on pause. And then I go to the app. I go to Travis Scott. Tell me why I cop, bro. Sitting in. They notified me, though all of my Twitter notifications went off 4 minutes after the app notified me. 4 minutes after 300 Chefs notified me, I got notifications from Twitter. So I might have been one of the first people on the site, though. We got a Travis Scott Low, size 12, Air Jordan 1 Low OG SPT. I was trying to read it. I don't know. I can't read that well. I haven't been to school in a while. Classic Travis Scott paper. You know, you've seen it by now. And then just a clean little low. And I will say it's clean, even though I'm not a fan of Jordan 1 lows. But I will say this is clean. And it's not even on some hypebeast stuff, which it kind of is. But just the swoosh, the whole vibe you get. I don't know why they started this brown color. I didn't like it at first. It's growing on me. I'm still not wearing it, but it's growing on me for sure. And just premium materials on it. Premium materials. Looks good. So far, the pics I've seen on feet look good. I think it would look fire with these pink laces. But that's if I could pull them off. Maybe when I get a new car, I'll put some on and be like, hey, look, I have money. I don't know. I don't. But Cactus Jack on the side, I really like the logo. I really like all the details around this shoe. Compared to the Jordan 1 High, obviously I'm gonna pick the Jordan 1 High every time. But I do like the black, the like off black, you know? Like it's not white, it's black. I kind of like that. On some no racist stuff. But yes, it's kind of dope. I don't know, it's kind of dope. It's kind of dope. But let me know if you cop, and if you didn't, go on 300 Chefs, get you a little. I think it's real cheap. I think it's like I think I paid 15 bucks. I don't know, but 15 bucks and then $500 profit. You do the math. But we here, man. More videos coming soon. Stay tuned. Subscribe. Like this video. And if you like it, I do something. I don't know what I'm gonna do, but I'm gonna do it.